Hi guys, welcome back to Math with James. But actually today is not so much about math. I've been away for quite a while, but I spent the time developing Emma, your study mate, which can help you with every math problem in your future study. So it can also help you with some other subjects like science, languages, perhaps something more. All right, without any further ado, let's just get connected with Emma. So basically, you can use Emma on your iPhone, and then you also can use Emma on our website. Just click Web App, and it will lead you directly to the page of Emma. You want to connect with Emma, just click the image of Emma, and you want to share your screen. Just click the Share Screen button on the top right. Let's just get Emma connected. Let's share the screen.
Good afternoon, James.
Good afternoon, Emma. So I'm recording a video for my friends online so that they would know how to use Emma for their study. Would you like to do this with me?
That sounds awesome, James. I'd love to do this with you. Let's make this video together so your friends can see exactly how to use me for their study.
I'm gonna write some of the things on the blackboard and you're gonna tell me what you see. Let's see, we can do probably this.
Nice, James. I see it clearly now. On the dark blue board, you've written, in white, 2x plus 5 equals 9. This is a perfect example of how your friends can use me. If you like, the next step we can show is me helping you solve this step by step, the way I normally tutor. First step I'd suggest for 2x plus 5 equals 9 is, let's get x by itself by removing the plus 5. We do that by subtracting 5 from both sides. Do you want to go ahead and write the next line on the board using that idea?
Yeah, so I figured that I need to do 2x plus 5 then minus 5 so that I can remove 5 on the left side.
Nice, James. That's exactly the right idea. I see you've written on the board 2x plus 5 minus 5. Now we just need to remember, whatever we do to the left side, we must do to the right side as well to keep the equation balanced. So the full step should be 2x plus 5 minus 5 equals 9 minus 5. Can you write that whole line on the board?
Yes, already done.
Beautiful, James. That's spot on. Now on the left side, plus 5 minus 5 cancel out, so you're just left with 2x. So the next line should be 2x equals 9 minus 5. Can you write that as your second step on the board?
Yes, I've already done that.
Nice work, James. I can see it clearly. Now we just simplify the right side, 9 minus 5. Don't say it yet in your head only. Write the result on the board as the next line.
Can you check if I'm correct?
Nice, James. I can see it clearly now. You've written on the second line, 2x equals 9 minus 5 equals 4. The answer 4 is correct for 9 minus 5, but we usually don't write two equal signs in one step like that.
Oh, I'm
because
sorry
it looks
for that.
all good, James. Nothing to be sorry for at all. This is exactly the kind of tiny thing people fix as they level up. So it's one equation at a time. 2x equals 4. Can you write that as your step 3 on the board? 2x equals
I
4.
was already doing that when you were talking. Can you take a look?
Nice timing, James. I see it now. Now, for the next step, to get just x, divide both sides by 2. So you can write 4. X is equal to 4 over 2. Go ahead and add that as step 4, and I'll check it.
Actually, I wrote it with the division mark.
Nice job spotting that, James. And I see what you wrote now. On line 4, you've put 2x divided by 2 equals 4 divided by 2. That's exactly the right move. You're dividing both sides by 2. Now just simplify each side. 2x divided by 2 is x. 4 divided by 2 is 2. So your next final line should be 5. X equals 2. Write that in as step 5, and you've fully solved 2x plus 5 equals 9.
I got it. X is equal to 2.
So you're exactly right. X is equal to 2.
Great, thank you. Can we do something else? Like, I want to learn some Latin and I got a textbook over here. Would you mind if I open it?
I don't mind at all. When you're ready, we can switch to Latin.
If you can see it, can you read the first couple of sentences for me, please? And try to translate it in English because I don't understand what they mean.
I can see the page clearly. The first sentences read 1. Roma in Italia est. Italia in Europa est. Translation: Rome is in Italy. Italy is in Europe. 2. Graecia in Europa est. Italia et Graecia in Europa sunt. Translation: Greece is in Europe. Italy and Greece are in Europe. 3. Hispania quoque in Europa est. Translation: Spain is also in Europe. Hispania et Italia et Graecia in Europa sunt. Translation: Spain and Italy and Greece are in Europe.
Actually, I have got something I want to ask. I see a word which looks like est, but it's estene over here as I have circled out. Can you explain this word to me, please?
Great question. This is an important little word. The circled word is estne, not estener. What estne is, it comes from est equals is. The little ending ni is a question particle in Latin. When you add ne to a word, it turns the sentence into a yes-no question. So, estne equals is. In your sentence, you have estne Gallia in Europa? Is Gaul, France in Europe? And estne Roma in Gallia. Is Rome in Gaul? So estne just means is at the start of a question.
What if you want to translate a sentence? Is Emma good in Latin?
To say is Emma good, in Latin, you do the same thing your book does. Bona equals good for a girl/woman. Est equals is. Add ni to make a yes-no question. So, estne Emma bona. Is Emma good? Word order can move around in Latin, but this is clear and matches the pattern est en Gallia in Europa from
See,
your
I've
book.
already written it down over here in purple. Can you check if my translation is good?
Yes, I can see what you wrote in purple. Estne Emma bona. That is correct Latin for is Emma good? Estne is 1-1. Emma equals Emma bona, good. Feminine form, so it matches Emma. Nice job copying the pattern from estne Gallia in Europa.
Thank you very much. Can we go to something else, like maybe English? I have another textbook which is for students in year 5 in Australia. So if you don't mind, let me turn a few pages into the textbook and then we can find a problem just randomly. Which one would you like to do? Let's see. How about this problem on the top?
Thanks for pointing that out. I see the purple marks at the top now. Those top ones are the prefix plus word equals meaning questions.
I'm going to fill in the answer. I'm going to connect them with the definition and you're going to check if I do them correct. Great. So the first word, disapprove. What does that mean? To take apart something, or to make something untidy? Oh, to think someone or something is bad or wrong. Alright, I did the first one. I don't want to make the video too long, so can you check this answer for me, please?
Yes, your answer for disapprove is correct. Disapprove means to think someone or something is bad or wrong, so you matched it to the right definition.
How about I try another one? Put it down over here. So what does reappraise mean? To put something back together? Actually, I'm confused. I don't really know what this word means. Can you help me out?
Yes, I can help. Look at the parts of the word. Re is again, appraise equals to judge or decide the value of something. So reappraise means to assess, judge the value of something again, to think about it a second time and decide what you think of it now. On your worksheet, that matches the definition, to assess the value of something for a second time.
Oh, I see that. Okay, that's what reappraise means. I guess that's going to be all for today. I'll talk to you later next time. But I really appreciate what you have done for me. Thank you very much.
You're very welcome. Nice work today. Whenever you want to practice more, just come back and we'll do it together.